Sorry, retainer. Got my braces off, y'all. What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Master Gaming XY here. Welcome to another Expedition game. You guys seem to like the other one with players born in October, so I thought of another one where I get players that only have A shooting. A plus, A minus, doesn't matter. And we assemble them in a roster that we can only take threes. That's right, I can only take threes with this starting lineup. We have Stephen Curry, Ray Allen, Larry Bird, Kevin Durant, Dirk Nowitzki, Kyrie, Chris Mullin, Klay Thompson, Paul George, Damian Lillard, Chauncey Billups, J.J. Redick, and of course, the championship, J.R. Smith. Now, we have Team USA on the other side. I'm not going to go over the players because you guys know that from the other October video. And if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. Great video. Alright, y'all. I can only take threes, so keep that in mind. And if I get fouled, I can take those free throws. It doesn't matter because I can't control their fouls. Now, one more time. Threes and fouls, they count. Let's get this game started.
Greetings, everyone. 2K Sports brings you the NBA. It's Team USA taking on the Boston Celtics.
Come on. Let's go, Dirk. Okay. Ready, set, Curry. Pull up. Ray. Oh. I've been experimenting this and it's been going pretty well. Oh, please. Let's go. Get back to KD. No! Guard Kevin Durant. Let's go. Kevin Durant on the fast break. Why would I take that? Oh. I really should give it to. If he makes that, how come that KD can make a three, but mine can't? What do they have a Larry Bird? 'Cause mine's trash. Can we place? Can we trade, please? Can we please trade? No. Y'all are just really watching me get trashed. Let's see if we can. Oh no, that's gonna get stolen. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. No, it's. No, I don't know why I said that. Come on, Dirk, with that really crooked shot you have. I've made a single point all game. This is really annoying. Steal! Give me that. Let's go. What? That doesn't count. That had to be a three. That doesn't count. That's messed up. That's so messed up. That had to be a three. See, that's a three. YouTube, I know I can't wait to look in the comments, y'all saying that I'm cheating, but I'm not. I want you to go back, rewind, and look at that. That looked like a three. And the shot was so crooked, he probably stepped up. Hell, they think I'm gonna foul him. He thinks I'm gonna foul him. Well, I got news for you, I'm not. Because that was a good shot, D. Okay, we went from being 7-0 to 5-7. And no, I do not like the Celtics. As y'all know from the Laker video, we pick a different team. Today it's the Celtics. Next time I was thinking about the Raptors or the Pacers, but I'll have to think of the challenge first. Oh, let's go. We found DeAndre. Please airball this. I will end the video if you airball it. Not playing. I will end the video if you airball it. Thank God he didn't airball it. I would have been mad. Okay, I really just should pass it to Bird, who takes a three. Buckets, tied game. Oh, what the freak? Nah, 2K, don't play with me. Don't play with me like that, 2K, please. 2K just played me. Yeah. Paul George fouled himself. This is more 2K cheese. It was like last year with Simbalar. Simbalar was great last year in 2K, but he's trash in real life. This is 2K cheesing me. And that's Dirk. That's more cheese. Dirk was wide open. Do I have to give it to Larry? Dirk, you're an A3 shooter. Paul, don't. Thank you. Don't do that to me, Paul. Paul George. Paul, no! Come on, Kiri, little Kiri, the little Durkee, it's a Kiri, a Kiri 3. Let's go, tie game, baby. Thank God I got some A+ shooters. Oh God, I got posterized. I wish I could do that. Oh, did I get little ankles? Did I get some ankles? No, I missed. No, George ain't gonna. Paul George guarding Paul George. I want to see how this ends. No, I'll leave Deontay open for 3. Take it. Take it. I dare you. Wait, I gotta get out the paint. Take it. I dare you. Oh, never mind. It's 5, 4. Don't play me like that, 2K. Paul George fouled himself again. They're playing me again. Yo, 2K, stop it. Oh my God. 2K cheese. That's some more 2K cheese. Rebound. Go. Curry. Pull up. What? Bro. I'm annoyed by this. Yo. This isn't fair. I swear to God, if I went against somebody who was doing 3-pointers only, then I probably would have been up. Oh, trash. Oh, that was actually nice. But people don't do it in real life. That's kind of impossible. I mean, I know people do that, but you try messing it up and you're in NBA bloopers. It's happened before. All because I'm talking, you pass it to Clay, who takes a 3, and Ray Allen can't make a shot. Jeez. No. Yo, I should do like an all dunking video. Maybe that will help me.
Yeah, exactly. Long enough for him to get a hand on it and knock it out of play. Here's Durant.
Oh God! No, let's slow this down. Let's slow the pace down. Let's slow that pace down. Let's make them think that we're gonna take a 3, and we take a 3, and we get buckets. Let's go, Durant. I don't like you, but let's go. Oh. Come on, y'all. You're gonna leave Curry open. Let's go. Go. Splash. I went from being down by 9 to being down by 2. Let's go. All you do is play defense. Please don't go.
1 second separating the shot clock and game.
See, I don't want to give it to Ray Allen, because every time I give it to Ray, he misses. But at this point, you might as well give trust in tip.
And it's out of bounds. And they say it was last touched by Durant.
He tipped it out. What's wrong with him? He literally tipped it out. How about you tip it to your teammate?
And here's DeRozan.
No. Okay, now we're back to where we were in the beginning.
He is so good at making those
Oh,
lead passes,
God.
like conducting an orchestra.
I am so mad. What the? What is this? Oh, my team. Was there just an ad in 2K? Are they seriously putting ads in 2K? They're putting an ad about 2K in 2K. See, we trail by 6, but you know how much we really trail by 8 because we're about to score. Oh! Watch them score. Every time they score, they score. Every time I block something.
Showcasing his skills with that slam. He knows how to put the exclamation point on those, doesn't he? My goodness.
Oh my God.
And the replay, of course, is in by Kia.
Oh! A little rattle, like a little baby rattle. A little rattle inside. Let's go. I have 1 minute and 32 seconds. Oh! Oh shoot, oh shoot. See, why would I take that shot? That's so stupid. Shut up. Shut up, Kenny. Steal! Steal! Oh, God. No, and of course, somebody's open. Oh! We take possession. Oh, let's go. We got Burden. We got Burden. We have Burden. We got Burden. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ray Allen, get your 4 points. You suck, Ray Allen. You haven't made a shot yet. I am so disappointed in Ray. Come on, y'all. The game's on the line here. The game's on the line. The game's on the line. And who do we kick it to? Oh, God. I'm choking. 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 Yes! Yes! Foul! Foul! Oh, God. We fouled Kyrie. That's not going to work. Can't believe Kyrie made it. Kyrie's my Lord and Savior. Miss, 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 miss. Miss, 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 miss. Oh, no. We have 25. You know what, y'all? I know what to do. See, I know who's an A+ shooter. And that's J.R. Smith. Look, I've never missed a 3 ever with J.R. Ray Allen, I've missed so many shots with you. Curry, I want you in, but Koulei's gonna have to go into Bird. And oh, that means high. Oh, well, Dirk, you stay in. And my bad, Bird. Bird, you go back in. No, my bad. Go in. JR. Go in at small forward and swap you and Katie. Look, this may be stupid, but I'm gonna put JJ Redick in at here because look, JJ Redick isn't. Look, A+. I'm nothing but A+, A+, A+. My worst grade's an A. Don't play with me, 2K. Don't play with me. Don't play with me with this amount of time. I'm going to say it again. Don't play with me. Perfect. 2K, for the last time, I want y'all to know this. Do not play with me. 2K, look, do not play with me. Let's go, Kyrie. Foul, foul, foul. Come on, you miss. Missing. Dang it. We have a chance to tie the game. We have a chance. 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 Oh my gosh. We have a chance. We have a chance. We have a chance to do this. We have a chance to make us proud. We have a chance to make everybody in the whole world proud by doing one thing, and that's winning the game. Winning the game is all at this point that matters. Kyrie's hot. Kyrie, you're super duper hot. Let's go. Let's go, Kyrie. Let's go, Kyrie. Let's go. Let's go, Kyrie. Let's go. Let's go, Kyrie. Let's go, Kyrie. Back to Reddick. Reddick. No. Junior. No! Oh, freak. Sugar. They were freaking calling an ISO play. Are you serious? Foul! Foul! They keep giving it to Kyrie. I'm tired of this. Yeah, I lost. He's gonna make this. See, now he's playing with me. Again. No, listen to me. Again. I lost again. See, let me tell you one thing about this. You screwed me over. I should have gave it to him, but you had to screw me over. Look, you've been trash all game. Look, 0 for 4. I took so many shots. I don't care if it's a 0 for 4. I took a lot of shots. Dirk, apparently you are hot because you had 3 blocks. PG, I didn't really give you much time. 2 minutes. Sorry about that. Clay, I'm sorry about that too. Chauncey and Lillard didn't play. Thank you, Curry. Thank you, Larry. And thank you, Kyrie. And a little bit of Chris Mullin for that little baby rattle you gave us. See, look, baby rattle. But you screwed me over, JR. Out of all the times I played with you and hit threes, even when they were contested, you screwed me over when it's clutch time. Well, Master Gaming. Oh God. Master Gaming, signing out. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. And, yo, I'm so mad we lost. I thought I had this in the bag. I thought we had this in the bag. Are you serious? Okay, y'all. This is Master Gaming XY signing out. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. Get your homework done. I have to get mine done. And last one more thing. Write in the comments what created roster thing would you like next. Would you like dunks? Small people? Big people? Write in the comments. Free agents only? I don't know. That's up to you. And if there's no comments, I'll do it. Master Gaming, signing out. Drop that like and put a sub button on your computer for my channel. Peace.